Traders. Hope you guys are having a wonderful trading week. I hope you guys are doing all that you have to do so you can have a great trading week and so you can be one of the greatest traders that can ever be unleashed in 2025. But it only starts with you keeping the discipline, the consistency, the optimism, and far most importantly, letting the most high control your trading life. Well, this is your boy Alan, King COT, and I'm back again with another video. On today's video, I'm gonna be updating you guys on how those three trading pairs that we're working on in our trading portfolio have been moving for the past 2 days and how they might be moving for the coming few days, which is Thursday and Friday, right? But before we hit the charts, make sure you like the video, make sure you share the video, turn on the notification bell so you can be alerted every time we're dropping fire educational content. If I add value into your trading life and if I'm adding value into your trading journey, all I ask of you guys is to just subscribe to the channel, share the videos, comment on the videos, trade with the broker. Click the link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. Or if you're looking to buy an affordable prop firm challenge, then I guess you can choose the link. Then I guess you can choose the prop firm that I use and the prop firm that I've been trading with. Well, to be honest with you guys, I bought a 10K challenge for only $100, which is equivalent to 1.8 South African rands, just to show you guys how affordable it was. And we're having a 30-day minimum trading, a minimum trading days of 30 days, and we're having a maximum drawdown of $1,000, and we're having a minimum target of $500 in order for you to pass your phase one. So I guess you might not want to let this opportunity pass by, and I guess you will not let this opportunity just move while you are standing and while you are watching, when you have the capital to fund and invest so you can be a six-figure trader in 2025. But without further ado, guys, let me show you guys what the markets might be doing, and let me show you guys what the markets have been doing. Right. So you guys understand that we're always working on one of an important pair, which will forever be Nasdaq. So understanding our take on Nasdaq based on our weekly trading outlook. If you haven't checked it out, I've left the link in my description. You can click the link and check it out before you check out this video so you can get the picture of what we have been talking about and what we have been anticipating for this trading week, right? So our first important pair will be the Nasdaq. So understanding, guys, that on Nasdaq we anticipated that if price well, let me not say price, well, price had our support and our resistance, which was marked out, right? So with our support and our resistance marked out, we had an anticipation on our weekly trading outlook, because this is where price closed to end the week. We had an anticipation on our weekly trading outlook that if price will look to break above this very same zone, or price is looking to trade above our very same resistance, then I guess we might look for continuations to the upside. But if price don't violate resistance, then I guess we might anticipate that possible reversal to the downside, right? Sorry. So you guys can clearly see the price that gave us a break above, right, and a close above. And from this break above, we anticipated continuations to the upside. I'm gonna share how we took a trade on the NAS based on this anticipation from our weekly trading outlook to you guys on Friday. Just stick around for more videos. So with this push and this exhaustion phase and this push phase and this possible exhaustion phase continuation, in order for us to put our money to work for the coming 2 days, because this is witness day today, right? In order for us to put our money to work for the coming few days, based on price having this high, right, and price having this pullback, the only thing that we're looking for is for price to violate this current high in order for us to look for those possible new highs. Or if price might continue moving to the downside, then I guess we're gonna wait and see what is price gonna do on our resistance. Are we gonna have a violation to the downside, or are we gonna have a fail to violate in order to look for those reversals to the upside? Do you guys get that? Let me make you guys understand one time. Price at this current high marked out. Price has this current high marked out, and obviously with price having this current high marked out, you can tell that our structure, our behavior is in a higher high and higher low behavior. And what's important is that with this current high printed out and this pullback or exhaustion phase, that our current price exhaustion phase as we're kind of looking at, if we're looking to put our money to work on the NAS for the coming few days, then we need to at least get a break above a violation of our high in order for anticipation of possible new highs. Or if price doesn't violate this high and continues moving to the downside, then I guess we're gonna wait and see what is gonna happen once price is on our resistance. Are we gonna have a fail to violate resistance to look for those reversals to the upside, anticipating a break and retest to continue moving up? Or if price breaks below, are we gonna get that continuation to the downside based on price violating our resistance after a break above of our resistance? Do you guys get that? So without further ado, this was my take on the NAS. So we're looking at our second pair, which will be gold. So guys, on gold, let me do this. So let me remove this and remove this. This. Don't want to move and remove this. So on gold, guys, just to make you guys understand one thing, gold, we had an anticipation that there's two takes on gold. One of the first important takes is that price has this zone that was printed out, the support that was printed out, right? In order for us to end our trading week, right? We had this zone that was printed out. So with this high, with this low that was printed out, and with an anticipation that if we're looking to continue moving to the upside to end our trading week, then I guess we need to wait for at least price to give us further confirmations of or continuations to the upside in order for us to look for those moves to the upside. Or if price is in a possible reversal, right, then I guess we need to wait for a violation of this very same lows in order to continue moving to the downside. So you can clearly see that price did come back to our very same low and gave us a possible double bottom pattern. With this double bottom pattern, we now understood or got the picture that with this double bottom pattern and it failed to violate this zone, we now understand that price has a double bottom and price had a push to the upside. If we're looking to put our money to work on USD CAD, on gold, then I guess we need to at least wait to see what is going to happen. Is price going to violate the zone to continue to the downside, or is price going to fail to violate to move to the upside? Or where our current price is trading, there's only two zones that we're looking at. This is the first zone, this double bottom zone, and this is our all-time high resistance zone that we're also looking at. And this is based on what? This is based on us having to see that with how price is looking and now price has been sitting. If price has a push to the upside and continues to the upside, we're gonna wait and see what is gonna happen from here. Are we gonna have a fail to violate in order to look for those moves to the upside, or are we gonna have a violation in order to anticipate those continuations to the upside? That's what we're gonna be waiting for on gold, and that's what we are gonna be looking to put our money to work on gold, because this is very simple. Well, let me not say it's very simple, but this is just straightforward. Gold has created this zone and gold has created this zone, and where price is trading is in the middle of this zone and this zone. So our take is very simple. If price will give us a violation of this zone, or if price pushes to the downside and gives us a violation of this zone, then we'll continue moving bearish. But if price fails to violate, then we'll reverse and be bullish. Another thing, if price pushes to the upside and holds our very same all-time high, then we're gonna wait for two things. Is price gonna give us a fail to violate in order to look for those reversals to the downside, or is price gonna give us a violation in order to anticipate the continuation to the upside? Do you guys get that? But without further ado, last but not least, we're looking at USD CAD, right? So USD CAD, guys, we also had I also shared to you guys on USD CAD that there's a high possibility that price might not give us a trade idea based on what? Based on this support that price has printed out, right? And with this support printed out, where prices ended the week, somewhere right there. Where was it? Somewhere right here. So where price ended the week on Friday was kind of choppy, to be quite frank with you guys, because price has this support and price was trading below our support. Obviously, trading below support, we look for those new all-time lows. We look for those lows, right? Or those bear moves to the downside. So understanding that price did move as we anticipated it, and after we took this trade, price reversed and took us out and moved in our favorite direction. It happens. There's nothing that we can do about it. But looking at our current price now, so our current price, this very same zone, I want to break down this very same zone to you guys so you can understand how to mark out your zones, right? So this zone had this first push to the upside and created this high. So with this high being created, price had a push and created this low. With this low being created, we had a push to the upside, which violated our previous high. So with a violation, price gave us a retest of our very same zone, meaning from a break above high, price had a retest above our high, right? And price traded above our high. So from trading above our high, price hit this impulsive push and created this high. So created this momentum high. Price ate a push and spiked our very same zone. So from spiking our very same zone, price again hit a push and it created this high. So from creating this high, price now has this push and is trading above our very same zone. So understanding that price has now a momentum zone, and with price having this momentum zone, all we're looking for now for the coming few days, to be honest with you guys, it's two things. If price fails to violate this zone, then I guess we're gonna look for it. If price fails to violate, then I guess we're gonna look for those reversals to the downside, to the upside. But if price gives us a violation, then I guess we look for those continuations to the downside, because our current structure is bearish, and with our current structure being bearish, price violates this very same zone. If it possibly happens, then our structure and our behavior and a violation of our zone still confirms that price is still bearish. But if price fails to violate, then I guess our base structure might come to an end based on our strong momentum buy zone, or let me just say our strong momentum bullish zone, and we look for those reversals to the upside. But to be honest with you guys, there's two takes. If price gives us a violation, we'll continue to the downside. If price fails to violate, then I guess we'll reverse and look to be bullish and take those buys, looking to be bullish and take those moves to the upside. Do you guys get it? So this will be my take. Let me not say this will be my take. Well, this will be what we'll be looking for the coming 2 days, based on how price is sitting and how price is showing us. All I want to leave you guys with on this video will be very effective, right? The only thing that you need to wait for is confirmation before you can put your money to work, because when you have confirmation, and when your confirmation aligns with how you trade, even though you take an L, that wouldn't shake you, because you understand that you did all the criteria and took every step that you had to take in order for you to win. But if there's no confirmation and you still lose, then you're gonna be fucked. And with you being fucked, then I guess no one is coming to save you but yourself. But without further ado, thanks for tuning in, thanks for liking, thanks for showing love, thanks for sharing the video, and thanks for most of all choosing the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. If you're looking for a one-on-one mentorship course, then I guess you're gonna take the number that I've left below, or you're gonna use my Instagram link, or you're gonna use my email, or you're gonna take my number, give me a call if you're brave enough, or text me on WhatsApp if you're not brave enough. But without further ado, guys, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, and all I want to do is to make sure that I help someone and grow someone's trading knowledge, and make sure that I make them one of the greatest trading forex traders that can possibly groomed or possibly out there. And it all starts with us putting the work now so we can be great tomorrow. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, so boy Harlem, ACOT, and we standing